This is Algebra 2, Chapter 7.3. We're going to be multiplying and dividing rational expressions. Let's get started. For number 4, let's go ahead and simplify the numerator, factor out the greatest common factor, which is x squared. So it's going to become x squared multiplied by 7x minus 1. The denominator is going to be the same, which is 2x cubed. Let's go ahead and simplify the x squared with x cubed, so this becomes 1 over x. So your answer is going to equal to 7x minus 1 over 2x. For number 6, I'm going to put the numerator into the factor form. So this is going to be x plus 4 times x plus 9. The bottom is going to be x minus 2 times x minus 5. Looks like there's nothing I can cancel out, so you can say that this is already in the simplified form. This is number 12, so we're going to start canceling out all the common factors. So 48 and 6 simplify to 8 over 1. X to the 5th power cancel out with the x to the 3rd power. This is going to give you x squared on top and 1 on the bottom. The y cubed cancels out with the y to the 4th power, so it becomes 1 over y. We can continue to cancel more things. So y and y cancel each other out. And let's go ahead and multiply across, so you get 8x to the 4th power over y squared. For number 14, let's look at the x cubed canceling out with the x cubed. X minus 9 cancels out with the x minus 9. If I multiply across, I'll get x plus 5 times x plus 8 over 3. For number 18, I'm going to factor this to x minus 3 times x plus 2. For this one, I'm going to factor out the 2x, so it'll be 2x multiplied by x plus 1. For this one, I can now factor to x plus 3 times x plus 2. Okay, let's start canceling the common factors. So we have x that cancels out with the x cubed, so it becomes x squared over here, and then 2 simplified with 4, so this becomes 2. So if you multiply across, you'll get x minus 3 times x plus 1 over 2x squared times x plus 3. For number 28, you want to change the division sign to multiplication sign, so which means that the second fraction is going to flip. So this is how it's going to look like. So let's go ahead and simplify the fractions before we multiply them. So you get 2 simplified with 6 becomes 1 over 3. X squared is simplified with x cubed. This gives you 1 over x. Z squared simplified with z cubed. This gives you z left. So 1 over z. Y simplified with y to the 4th power, so it becomes 1 over y cubed. Let's go ahead and simplify more. So x simplified with x becomes 1 over 1. Z simplified with z, so another 1 over 1. So when you multiply across, you get 2 over 3y cubed. For number 32, this is a division sign, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and change it to the multiplication sign. The polynomial, think of it as everything over 1. If you change it to the multiplication sign, you want to flip the fraction. This is how it's going to look like. So I'm going to write this in factor form. X minus 9 times x plus 4. This in factor form is going to be x minus 9 times x minus 9. Let's go ahead and cancel out the common factors and multiply across. The answer is going to be x plus 4 over x plus 2 times x minus 9. For number 34, we're going to change the division sign to multiplication sign. So the second fraction, it's going to flip. So this is how it's going to look. So let's go ahead and write everything in the factor form. This is x minus 8 times x plus 5. This one is x plus 10 times x plus 2. For this one, this is going to be x plus 10 times x minus 2. And the last one, x plus 8 times x plus 5. Let's go ahead and cancel out all the common factors. So we got x plus 5 cancel out with the x plus 5. X plus 10 cancels out with x plus 10. And we can just now go ahead and multiply across, which equals to x minus 8 times x plus 2 over x plus 8 times x minus 2. All right, that's it for this lesson. Good luck with your homework. Take care.